Hi guys, my name is Jamie, and this is my review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. With 11 hours of battery life, amazing sound quality, iPhone and Android compatibility at just $150 and often on sale for $110, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are a great go-to pair of true wireless earbuds. Design. The Galaxy Buds Plus retained the same design of its predecessor, the Galaxy Buds, however sporting a glossy finish. The case is small and pocketable with a pill shape. It comes in white, black and cloud blue, in addition to pink and deep blue. I really don't like the glossy plastic finish, as it makes the Galaxy Buds Plus feel cheap and is a real fingerprint magnet as soon as you touch them. They're also quite easy to stretch, as I've already stretched them once. I would definitely suggest getting a skin or a case for them. Furthermore, on the exterior there's a useful LED indicator to indicate battery life. The buds themselves are really sleek and low profile, with a lack of a stem. There are 3 types of tips and wings included in the box to ensure a good fit and seal. Although lacking active noise cancellation, the Galaxy Buds Plus create a passive seal which muffles out a large majority of the surrounding sounds. But if you do travel, earbuds with active noise cancellation should be considered. The only negative to the buds themselves are the IPX2 rating only being able to handle a couple of splashes and a little bit of sweat. I personally have used them for my dedicated workout headphones and have had no problem with them so far. Media controls. The intuitive media controls via touch are very convenient when you want to play, pause, skip tracks and access your voice assistant and more when your phone is in your bag or pocket. They are very useful for my running, as I don't have to whip out my phone to change songs and volume. So the controls are single tap to play pause, double tap to play. Tapping and holding can also be customized in the app for voice command, ambient sound, volume, as well as accessing Spotify on Android. There's also an experimental feature of the double tap on the earbud edge, but it isn't very consistent and works about only 30% of the time. Battery and connectivity. The battery life on the Galaxy Buds Plus is insane, with an 11-hour battery life for music listening, with a further 11 hours from the charging case, for a total of 22 hours. I could easily go through a week without suffering battery anxiety. The 11-hour battery is great for all-day use through work, with enough battery to use during your commute too. In my opinion, the 11-hour battery isn't really a feature for me, as after about an hour of listening, my ears feel fatigued. Also, fast charging adds 1 hour of battery life and 3 minutes of charging. It can charge via the included USB-C cable or through wireless charging and wireless power sharing on new Samsung devices. Connection is quite good, with Bluetooth 5.0 and pairing in about a second, with me not experiencing any issues with it. However, I wish it was multi-device connection, as I wouldn't have to manually switch in the settings. Luckily, you don't have to unpair first. There's a little bit of latency for gaming, so you should use the gaming mode to cut the delay if you do have a Samsung smartphone. Additionally, the Samsung Galaxy Buds app is available for both iOS and Android and provides various useful controls for the Galaxy Buds Plus, such as media and EQ controls. There's also a Find My Earbuds feature, which is very useful if you happen to misplace them. Sound. The sound of the Galaxy Buds Plus is amazing for a pair of true wireless earbuds with 2 drivers, a tweeter for high frequencies and a woofer for deep bass and mids. This delivers a clear and balanced sound. In addition, you can customize the sound to your liking through the EQ. On the topic of microphones, there are 2 microphones on the outside and 1 on the inside, providing clean call quality compared to its predecessor. The ambient sound is okay, playing sound from your surroundings from the mics to give you awareness of the sounds around you. In terms of the ambient sound, there are 3 settings: low, medium and high. However, it sounds pretty artificial and tinny, unlike the transparency mode on AirPods Pro. At $150 retail and on sale for often $110, the Galaxy Buds Plus are a great pair of wireless earbuds for their price, and I would certainly recommend them. Please like and subscribe